The following samples have been prepared and packaged for shipment: Asphalt Mixtures Marshall Design 85 and 86, Asphalt Mixtures Hveem Design by California Kneading Compaction, samples 7 and 8, and Asphalt Mixtures Hveem Design by Colorado 100mm 4-inch Gyratory compaction, samples 7 and 8. The official shipping date for these samples is May 7, 2026. However, your laboratory may receive the samples before that date. On May 7th, the sample instructions and online datasheet will be released to the participants. Upon receipt of the box, carefully open it and check to see if the sample components were damaged in shipment or if one is missing. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or do not receive your samples by May 21st, 2026, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in the sample box. There will be 1 can of liquid asphalt and 6 bags of aggregate in the following size fractions: 12.5mm ½ inch, 9.5mm 3/8 inch, 4.75mm number 4, 2.36mm number 8, a bag of fine aggregate that is passing the 2.36mm number 8 sieve, and a bag of mineral filler. The can of liquid asphalt and aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch for each mixture design and compaction specimens for Marshall and Hveem. The butter batches will be used to test the specimens for maximum specific gravity. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please follow the batching instructions with as much accuracy as possible. We recommend that the mass of the size fractions be weighed to within plus or minus 0.1 grams of the masses listed in the instructions. The closing date for the Marshall round is June 25th, 2026. The closing date for the Hveem Design by California and Colorado compactions is July 2nd, 2026. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.